Good afternoon, everybody. It's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How's everybody doing today? Doing pretty good. I got my House of Cards card done this morning, so that was good. And then in the mail, I got from Studio 28E, have a project, and I'm going to be doing a series of videos with this. It is her junk journal starter kit. And it also goes along with the fairy day book. I haven't received that yet, so I'll share that with you when I get it. But all this came today. So it came in file folder. And there's 64 items in here. So this is really cool. Got this envelope here, and inside this is... I've got some really pretty eyelash trim. I've got some regular tabs. I got a whale tail. I have some really pretty fabric strip flowers. And this is a nice velvet trim here. So that was all in that envelope. And I have a little coin envelope. Got a CD envelope. This is a deposit envelope. Cool. I've not seen one of those before. And I've got this one that's all fancy up at the top. Got this one. And this one. This one. I've got two seed envelopes. Got a long window envelope. Got like a parchment paper envelope. Got a fancy envelope that's lined. And a manila envelope. Everything was in this file folder, and tied around it was this big long strip of coffee dyed muslin. I've got this piece of trim. So pretty. And this one, it's got little beads on it even. It's really pretty. Nice color, that brown. I like it. And then there's this piece of lace. It's pink. It's real pale pink. And this piece. Pretty motifs on there. I've got a thin piece of lace. And another larger piece of lace. I like those. I've got a little paper doily, which I don't have any of these. And a big paper doily. Then there's these little cards. So you could use them for journal cards. You could collage on them or stamp or whatever you want on there. Those are nice. I got a little film slide. Got a petty cash slip. A guest check. And this is really thick. I really like that. Usually they're paper thin. I mean really paper thin. This is a tack card. Got a beautiful envelope, or not envelope, napkin. Pretty. Got a wallpaper sample. It's got like fibers in it. Blue. Nice. And then this piece of wallpaper. That's really pretty. Got a nice big bingo card. Got a card here. Got a, what would you call it? Like a big index card divider. Got this really long one. This is really cool. I like that. I've got this green card here. I've got a accounting card. I've got two white paper bags, which I don't have those either. I don't have a lot of this stuff, so this is really cool to work with. This is a inventory record. Got a really nice section of dictionary. I've got some school kids line paper. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Got some little graph paper, or not graph paper, that dot paper. You can see the dots on there. This is, I believe, for practicing calligraphy. That's cool. I like that. Got this big, no idea what this was in or with, but that's really nice. Those big wide lines. Got a piece of graph paper, and the back side is aligned. Got a beautiful piece of music sheet here. Got another inventory sheet. A piece of green ledger paper. Got this piece of ledger paper. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the numbers. Yay! Like that. And this big long one right here. That is cool. Wilson Jones, Form 1010. I'd like to see the book this came out of. Look at the little triangles there. Wonder how that cut that out of there. Cool. And as I said, everything was folded up in this folder here. So yeah, we're going to be having some fun with these things for sure. So watch for that. I've got to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with not all this stuff, because could you imagine? Look at that. Look, that'd be a journal itself. Just tape it all together. Staple it up or whatever. But yeah, this is going to be really fun to work with. So, all right, keep your eyes open for that. And that's all I got for you right now. I will talk to you later. Thanks for stopping by.